Hey, Jeff Kelderman coming at you at Kelderman Trucks. Today we have this gorgeous 2020 F-350 Limited. These new Limiteds are so awesome, and even the 10-speed training, these new trucks, if you haven't drove one, it's a treat. So, customer lives in Austin, Texas, sent the truck up here to have us work our magic. What we did, we did eco tint of the headlights, took some of the chrome out, a little more white. Popped the grill apart, got rid of the black, did some makeover with the white. We did our Delta Series bumpers, which are the new lower profile version we have. With the chrome accents with the monster hooks, chrome mesh, got a rigid Midnight Series. Hell, we went down here and gave himself some chrome mounting brackets for his license plates. So come around to the front. This we usually do 5 to 6s on these trucks, but this customer a little bit taller, so we did the 6 to 8. There are chrome backing plates. We got our tuned Raptor shocks on here. Give ourselves, the ride on this thing is phenomenal. So we got our American Force wheels. You know, we painted the white star and lettering on that. Got the Toyo RTs on this particular truck. Come around to the side, you can see on the 4 links where we got our Kelderman badges here, just bolted on with the chrome package. So we come around to the rear, we got a 6 to 8 rear suspension. At the front, we got the tuned Raptor shocks. A little bit of chrome accent behind the Kelderman K there, and up front on the lower trailing arm. Pretty strict down in Texas with their mud flaps, so got some aluminum mud flaps here, and obviously the white matches color with the white. Come around to the back here, we got our flex front chrome monster hooks. We got our Alpha Series bumper color match. We do all our paint here in house, and also did tinted out the third light and our tail lights, kind of tone down that bright red. So. Tell you what, man, you get this is the 24. They're impressive. The drivetrain's awesome. Limited interior is fantastic. I mean, this truck is amazing. So, anybody down there in Austin, you can see this guy running around. It's gonna be real hard to miss this.